Hello, welcome. In this walkthrough, you will learn how to provision Oracle-based database cloud@customer environment using the Oracle Cloud Console. We'll begin by verifying that you're working in the correct Oracle Cloud region. Next, navigate to Oracle AI Database and select Oracle-based database cloud@customer. From the navigation menu, select Data Infrastructures, then click on Create Data Infrastructure to begin. Enter the infrastructure name and select the compartment where the resource will be created. Now select the system model that matches your deployed Oracle-based database cloud@customer hardware. Configure the high-performance storage by selecting the storage specification for your deployment. And as you make your selection, the console displays the total and usable storage capacity, making it easy to verify your configuration before continuing. Next, configure the storage settings by specifying the allocation for the data and RICO disk groups, along with the storage reserved for virtual machines. Review the selected values to ensure they meet your deployment requirements. From here, configure the control plane network by providing the required network information, including the default gateway, DNS servers, NTP servers, and proxy settings if applicable. This network enables communication between your base database cloud@customer environment and Oracle Cloud Infrastructure through the control plane proxy services. Once the network configuration is complete, configure the maintenance preferences for the data infrastructure. And if required, you can enable custom actions before maintenance to perform operational tasks before Oracle managed maintenance begins. Provide maintenance contacts. And finally, once you have confirmed the configuration, click on Create to provision the data infrastructure. After the data infrastructure has been created, validate the network by downloading and running the validation script. Once all connectivity checks pass, upload the generated validation report. The data infrastructure status changes to requires activation, confirming the network validation was successful and it's now ready for activation. Complete the activation workflow by downloading the generated configuration file, deploying the system using the deployment assistant, and then activating the data infrastructure. The deployment assistant generates an activation file, which you will upload during the activate step to complete the activation process. When the lifecycle state changes to active, the data infrastructure is ready for the next stage of configuration. With the data infrastructure active, you're now ready to create a VM network. The VM network provides the network connectivity required for both database VM clusters and application VMs running on your Oracle-based database cloud@customer environment. Based on your workload requirements, select the intended use. Select either an application VM, a VM cluster single VM, or a VM cluster dual VM. Configure the client and backup networks along with the required host names, IP addresses, DNS, NTP, and other networking settings. After reviewing the configuration, submit the request to create the VM network. Once provisioning is complete, validate that the VM network displays an active lifecycle state, confirming that the network configuration has been successfully provisioned. With the VM network validated, your Oracle-based database cloud@customer environment is ready to provision database VM clusters and application VMs. And that concludes our demonstration on how to provision a base database cloud@customer environment using the Oracle Cloud Console.